Hi Drew, sorry I forgot to record this. This is the definition of a sector. It's the area bounded by two radii and an arc length, so the shaded region. Okay, so we did an example, and we got our answer. So it's not that easy. We're not done yet. We're gonna go a little bit harder. So after a sector, there's a thing called a segment. So we're gonna talk about a segment. So area of segment of a circle. Okay. It's not much different than the one it was above. So we all draw our circles, same setup as before. We got our two radii. We're gonna draw. Draw it however you want. And I still have my angle in the middle, call it n degrees, and I still have my arc length. Now this entire shaded region is the sector. But I want you to connect these 2 points, A and B. I want you to connect them right there. You don't know it yet, but that is drawing a chord. We're not going to talk about chords for a second, but we will the other day. So a segment, the area of the segment, isn't this entire sector. It's only a portion of it. And it's only this portion right here. Only the top half, where the line and the arc intercept. So all of this up above. That is the area of the segment. So this is a segment. I'm trying to find that area. So segment is a slice of a circle bounded by 2 points. So in this case, A and B, and an arc, which in this case is AB arc. Now, Carson, when I drew this line, what shape did I make? I made a triangle, yep. And then what's the big shape? What do we call that? Yeah. I have 2 radii and an arc. Ashley, want to help him out? What do we call that? What do you call this entire region? Yeah, sector. So to find the area of the segment, we have to take the sector, which is the entire thing, which roughly looks like that. So this is our sector. And we have to subtract that by what shape? What shape was Carson talking about? Yep, the triangle. So triangle. And that leaves me with what? Raylene, what does it leave me with? What part of the shape is left over? So I take the whole thing. I take this whole thing, and I'm going to subtract the triangle. So I get rid of the triangle. What's left over? Yeah, so just the segment is left. And that's the area we want to find. Okay, I'm going to put a problem on the board, and I want you guys to work it out first in groups. Do you want to do random, or you want me to pick the groups? Random? Okay, random it is.
desktop, there's like in the very middle of the screen, there's a thing that says class lists. If you just minimize everything here, like if you click the very corner, everything will close. Like even beyond that.
Wait, what is the area of a triangle? What is the formula? Yep, base times height. Do we know the other area of a triangle? I can't remember if we did it in this hour. No? Okay. This is a what type of triangle? Yes, it's an isosceles because it's also a radius right here. So it's 5 meters. Okay, we can only use this if it's a what type of triangle? Roughly, yeah. So I have this guy right now. I know this is 5, this is 5. What else do I know about it? Do I know an angle? Which one? Yep, and it's right there, right? I'm gonna draw this bigger. So it's my triangle. So we have 5, 5, and this is 144 degrees. So if I was looking at any triangle, and I called this A, B, and C, what would this angle be called? Big B, big C or little c? Yep, big C. What about this one over here? Big A. What about this one over here? Big B. Okay. Right now we have C, A, and B. So the area, I don't think we really talked about this one actually, just trust me, is 1/2 A, B sine of angle C. Okay, so we need the two sides and the enclosed angle of C. So this is side, angle, side. Did we talk about this before? No. Okay, so new formula. This is going to help you find the area so much faster. Okay? Try it out. Okay, Drew, this is the next one. Find the area of the segment made. Oh, the answer to this one was 24.1 meters squared. Okay, that's the next problem. Okay, Drew, the answer to this is 28.5 feet squared. Does anyone want to say hi to Drew?
Hi, Drew.
Wish him good luck. Okay, everyone says good luck here. Drew, if you're watching this, what do you want when you get back? That's the question. Oh, you gotta take a quiz, dude. That's what you gotta do when you get back. Okay, if you watch this and the day you come in and you tell me pepperoni pizza, you can have a shorter quiz. But no one can tell him.
I'll bring a bag of candy.
Carson?
So don't text him. Watch it. Don't caution. But I'll bring in candy for you guys if he doesn't watch it.
Okay. Well, now you can see the homework. Okay. Drew, homework. 16 to 19, 20, 23, 25, and 26. If you see radians in any of these questions, I'm pretty sure I got rid of all of them. Don't do it. Skip it. But yeah, that's it.